guys know Lil Xan sold his soul and made fucking 40 million, I think it was, in 1 year
Hold up.
off a song. You guys know Kodak Black sold his
Xan.
soul? You guys know you guys know Island Boys sold their soul?
Dang.
They all got the same wing tattoo on their forehead right in the center.
Wait, do you have 2.2 bill bank balance or 2.28 in Skyblock?
I don't know about you guys, but Lego should really
Hey,
shoot an invite out somewhere.
He's getting into it,
what?
dude. Don't judge him.
So
Oh.
why?
Used
to believe that.
you drink some soda?
He's
You
not
drink some
even
soda?
drinking anything. He's just burping out of nowhere.
How is this
I'm not
You
drinking
can force
anything.
it.
I'm just.
Wait, how are you even doing that though?
I'm
This
not even
guy.
drinking a thing. I'm not
You
touching
swallow
it.
your own air. That's how you do it.
Yeah, I can do it too, but like I can't do it that much.
Well, it's
It's
just
just like you guys swallow your own air and it just like works somehow.
I'm not sure how it's quite possible. I just know it is.
It's just really uncomfortable, yeah.
Wait, do you ever stream Lego?
Do I stream? Used to. I'll go back to it.
Oh,
Once
wait.
I
Lego,
get
do
the
you paint your
channel
nails?
back. What?
You paint your nails?
No, I do not. I think my sister
Lego,
painted
can you
them
mute my
once.
dad?
Oh, I just figured out why we're seeing things. Hypixel has hidden name tags, and you can see some hidden name tags on NPCs.
Yeah.
Wow, bro.
No
Oh,
shit.
sometimes they
Where?
just watchdog.
Like,
We should all play Roblox.
No, it says this NPC says this command literally does nothing. This is a TNT game lobby NPC.
Oh.
No way.
On the delivery man
Lol.
thing.
K-pop
Serious?
is so mid.
Yeah, here, I'll screen share it.
No fucking way, dude. That is
No,
insane.
you guys all gotta see my screen share. I have the best screen share.
I mean, I listen to J-pop.
It's right here.
My screen share is the best.
in
Yo,
like
Lego.
5 FPS.
What's the question?
Wait, he's legit downloaded this.
That's because, are you on Feather?
I am on Feather.
That's why.
Someone invite me to Feather, please, bro.
This is a hidden name tag in the NPC.
Can I get an
It's
invite to
literally on
Feather?
there.
Hey, bro, what? I'll use Feather. I'll use that shit daily, bro. Like I do with my toothbrush, bro. Every utility I use.
Oh, imagine brushing your teeth. That's for the weak. I let them rot.
You let them rot, then you gotta pay like. Just keep them clean, bro.
No.
Eat
Oh,
everything
we let
inside
them
so you
rot
can
and just
reach them
talk to
strong.
people, go real close to them.
Nah, that's nasty, dude. You gotta keep them clean. I brush my shit 3 times every other month, so.
I brush 2 times daily because braces.
2 times
Oh, you got braces? Good
You
shit.
have to. You also have to water spray them to get like all the
Yeah,
stuff out.
you don't got to. You just gotta make sure the bristles get in between the brackets. Or
Yeah, I have an electric toothbrush, and I also water spray just because the bracket's uncomfortable.
Imagine that.
Why'd you have to specify electric, bro? I'm not electric. I don't got that. I'm not rich.
Electric
Because, like,
toothbrush.
There's
This
a
for
big
the
difference
loser.
between normal and electric. Electric, you don't need to move it. Normal, you have to move it really vigorously.
Lazy.
Hey, Lego. After this video of these fine girls and stuff.
They're probably underage.
Oh my
I
god.
swear.
No,
Like
they're
you
18.
Like,
might
you
want
like
to check the
watching
media
those girls.
channel on your
Even
Discord.
if they were
Give this
under,
guy a break.
dude, even if they were underage, it's in China.